Okay, for 750, they want us to just simplify, right? So x minus 3 squared is x minus 3 times x minus 3. There's no shortcuts, right? So we get x squared, this is FOIL, minus 3x plus 9. These are like terms, x squared minus 6x plus 9 for A. Okay, for B, again, no shortcut. It's 2m plus 1 times 2m plus 1. 2m times 2m is 4m squared. 2m times 1 is plus 2m. 1 times 2m is 2m. And 1 times 1 is 1. These are like terms. We get 4m squared plus 4m plus 1. Okay, for C, let me make some space for C. For C, we have x times x minus 3 times x plus 1. Now you can distribute the x in first, or you can multiply the two binomials. I'll multiply the two binomials first, so I'll leave the x, right? So then I get x times x is x squared, x times 1 is plus x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x minus 3. So then this is x squared, these are like terms, right? Minus 2x minus 3. And now I have to distribute the x in, right? Okay, so I get x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x. And again, you could have distributed the x in first and then used FOIL. It doesn't matter, right? Multiplication, order doesn't matter. Okay, and the last one, D. D, we have 2y minus 1 times y squared plus 7. Right, y squared. So 2y times y squared is 2y to the third. 2y times 7 is 14y. Now the negative 1. Negative 1 times y squared is minus y squared, and negative 1 times 7 is minus 7. And in this case, we do not have any like terms, and for now you can leave it like that because we didn't learn about how to really order these properly.